Hello, I am Anjana and you are watching Public Times 24/7. Let's turn to today's big news.
Parliament. Rahul is misleading the country. Not interested in parliamentary system. Jagdambika Pal attacked after Birla's rebuke. BJP MP Jagdambika Pal has fiercely targeted Rahul Gandhi. He has criticized the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha's claim that he was not given a chance to speak in the Lok Sabha. He said that the Congress leader is misleading the country and has no interest in the parliamentary system. The BJP MP said Rahul Gandhi is misleading the country. No one can stop anyone from speaking in this house. He himself does not sit in the house. He does not speak on any bill and proposal. He has no interest in the parliamentary system. If Congress members can speak here, why can't he? Early on Wednesday, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha and Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had alleged that he was not allowed to speak in the house. Rahul Gandhi had told reporters, "I don't know what is happening. I told them to let me speak. This is no way to run the house. The speaker just left and he did not let me speak. He said some baseless things about me. He adjourned the house. There was not need for it. It is a transition. The leader of the opposition is given time to speak. Whenever I stand up, I am stopped from speaking." He had said that in democracy there is a place for the government and the opposition, but there's no place for the opposition here. Rahul Gandhi said that he wanted to speak on the Mahakumbh Mela and unemployment, but he was not allowed to speak. He had said the Prime Minister spoke on the Mahakumbh and I also wanted to speak on the Kumbh Mela. I wanted to say that the Kumbh Mela was very good. I also wanted to speak on unemployment, but I was not allowed to speak. I do not know what the speaker's vision and thinking is, but the truth is that we were not allowed to speak. What did Om Birla say? Earlier in the House, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla had told Rahul, "You are expected to maintain high standards of decorum and decency of the House. There are many such cases in my knowledge when the conduct of MPs was not to accordance with the maintaining high standards of decorum and tradition of the house. Father, daughter, mother, wife and husband have been members of this house. So in this context, I accept the leader of the opposition to behave according to the rules. The leader of the opposition is especially expected to maintain his contact."
That's all for now. We will meet again with another big news. Till then, namaskar and keep watching Public Times 24/7.